Welcome to today's lesson on vocabulary. In this lesson, we will learn 5 new words that are useful for expressing yourself clearly and effectively in English. Let's start with number 1, which is ambiguous, meaning unclear or having more than one possible meaning. For example, the instructions were ambiguous and I didn't know what to do. Number 2 is concise, which means brief and to the point. For example, please write a concise summary of the article. Number 3 is inevitable, that means certain to happen or unavoidable. For example, it was inevitable that he would fail the exam since he didn't study at all. Number 4 is relevant, which means closely connected or appropriate to the matter at hand. For example, please only include relevant information in your report. The final one is subtle, meaning not obvious or easy to notice. For example, she gave him a subtle hint that she liked him,